Hey everyone, my name is Leon and welcome to another video. I make content every single day based around video production, making money online, tutorials and business. So if that is what you're interested in, then be sure to subscribe. So in today's video, I'm basically going to be showing you how to back up your video footage or basically any of your files with Google Drive. So without wasting any of your time, I'm just going to get right into it. Okay everyone, so as you can see I am on Google Drive right now, and obviously if you have, this is the interface you're greeted with, right? So you have things like my Drive computers shared with me because, you know, in case a friend or colleague or whatever shares something with you and you're working remotely. And as you can see there's a storage limit, don't know why, but like, yeah. And you've also got a bin here. This is where your files are basically located, and I've just got a bunch of stuff saved in here. Which I am going to be making a video about very soon, so watch out for it. And essentially what you want to do is let's say you have video footage now, and I'm going to say I'm going to need a USB drive because you forgot to bring a USB drive with you or whatever, or an SD card. Basically what you do is you put the file on your computer, obviously, and then you come to the plus button on, well, right here, new. And then you have these options: folder, file upload, folder upload, so you can upload folders as well. And you've got these options here as well, but but this is what we came to do. So just click file upload, and there we are. So let's just say I wanted to, for example, back this up, right? Just click open, and as you can see, it's just uploading right there. There we are. So it's about yeah, it's nearly done. So about less than a minute left, and as you can see, you got many more things. So you got this stuff here, and then you got settings, and you can even search up like a file or folder name. So there you are, you got this stuff. And yeah, so let's just, there we are. We're right? It's processing, so yeah, and well, there you go. Okay everyone, so that is basically how you back up your files with Google Drive. If this video was valuable to you, then be sure to subscribe for more with the bell on for more videos. Drop a like and share the video around to boost its search rankings and help the channel grow much further. And if you have any questions or feedback, then be sure to leave them in the comment section or message me via Instagram or Snapchat. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care everybody.